This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Clay Mittman. Attractive brick twin located on prime College Hill Street. Enter from the large front porch to the magnificent foyer with detailed woodwork and grand staircase. The foyer opens to the large living room with many windows. The spacious dining room offers a built-in bay window with full window seat. The home is very bright with many windows. Beautifully hardwood floors throughout the home. The kitchen opens onto the back porch and private rear yard. 3 spacious bedrooms with 1 full bath on the second floor plus a full third floor offering a possible 4th bedroom or office. There is an additional large storage room as well on the 3rd floor. Well maintained throughout and a pleasure to show. For more information, review the details.